Sup dudes, I'm going to show you how to do the posterior glide at 0, the jerk test, and the posterior 90 degrees. And these are all tests for posterior instability. So first do posterior 90, so you want your patient to be their elbow flexed to about 90, or just their elbows relaxed. Their shoulder will be flexed to about 90. You're going to make the Spock sign, and just put it right underneath the shoulder between the glenoid and the head of the humerus. Then provide a posterior translation force. A positive sign for this would be pain, clicking, or just a subluxation of the joint, and that would be a good indicator of a positive instability. Next test would be the jerking test, and then they're going to be in that same position. Get that Spock sign underneath there again. And then what you're going to do, you're going to provide a posterior pressure, and then you're going to move them across their body into horizontal adduction. And a positive sign with this, if they're going into that adduction and the jerking motion happens, or when you bring them back to that same position and the jerking motion happens again, that'd be a good indicator of that posterior instability again. Last, the posterior glide at 0. You're gonna have their arms, they're gonna have their shoulder abducted 90 degrees, and you're just gonna rest their hand in between your axilla. You can, again, Spock sign, put it right underneath again, and you can provide a posterior pressure, and then positive would be pain, clicking, or subluxation of that humeral head, and then that'd just be a good indicator of posterior instability of the shoulder.